Hey there, fuel savers. Are you tired of watching your gas money vanish at the pump? What if I told you that the right set of tires could dramatically boost your fuel economy and save you hundreds over time? Today, we're diving into the best tires for fuel mileage, top-rated, road-tested, and guaranteed to help you squeeze every last mile out of your tank. Whether you're commuting daily, taking long road trips, or just looking to maximize efficiency, these tires are designed to cut rolling resistance and improve your vehicle's performance. So buckle up and get ready for some serious savings. So check the link in the description below, and let's roll into the smartest tire choices for your wallet.
Number 7. Goodyear Assurance Maxife All-Season Radial Tire. 215/55 R17. Set of 1 is designed to take your driving experience to the next level. With Goodyear's TreadLife technology, these tires offer exceptional wear performance, providing long-lasting reliability for your vehicle, whether it's rain or light snow. The multiple biting edges enhance traction, ensuring a safe ride. The wide circumferential grooves efficiently evacuate water, boosting wet traction and control on slippery roads. Plus, the built-in wear gauge allows you to easily monitor your tire's tread depth, making maintenance simple. Stability is further improved by the solid shoulder blocks that help stabilize the tread footprint, promoting even wear and confident handling. Backed by Goodyear's longest tread life limited warranty, this tire guarantees up to 85,000 miles, 140,000 km of dependable service. Ideal for those seeking the best tires for fuel mileage. The Goodyear Assurance Maxife promises both efficiency and performance for your vehicle. Number 6. Continental Pure Contact LS Performance Radial Tire is an excellent choice for drivers seeking the best tires for fuel mileage. This tire, with a size of 235/45 R18 and a load capacity of 1,477 pounds, is engineered with Continental's EcoPlus technology, which not only improves fuel efficiency but also extends tread life. Offering a 70,000 limited manufacturer tread life coverage, it ensures long-lasting performance. The tire provides optimal traction in light snow conditions, making it a versatile option for year-round driving. Its asymmetrical tread design enhances handling, while the low road noise ensures a quiet and comfortable ride for both drivers and passengers. The quick view indicators are an added bonus, visually showing the tire's performance level. With a speed rating of V and a maximum pressure of 51 psi, the Continental Pure Contact LS delivers both reliability and performance in one package. Number 5. Yokohama Avid Ascend LX 215/55 R1794V is a standout choice for anyone looking for the best tires for fuel mileage. This summer tire is designed with advanced features to enhance your driving experience. The tire's symmetrical tread pattern, combined with wavy 3D sipes and shoulder notches, ensures better grip on winter roads, making it a versatile all-season option. The wide circumferential grooves with lateral grooves offer superior wet traction, while the innovative L2 compound improves tread life. Its multi-pitch tread design significantly reduces road and pattern noise, providing a quieter ride. The optimized contact area increases the tire's footprint, ensuring longer tread life and even wear. Plus, with an 85,000 limited tread wear warranty and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, the Avid Ascend LX offers peace of mind and lasting durability for your vehicle. So, if you're seeking a reliable tire that delivers excellent fuel efficiency, this is the one. Number 4. Continental 235/65 R18106T Connie Cross Contact LX 25BW is a top-tier tire designed for drivers seeking both performance and efficiency. Engineered with Continental's EcoPlus technology, it optimizes fuel savings, increases range, and extends tread life, making it a great choice for those prioritizing fuel mileage. With a tread depth of 12/30 seconds, this tire offers excellent traction and short braking distances on wet roads, ensuring safety in various driving conditions. The tire's low road noise provides a quiet, comfortable ride for both drivers and passengers. Its non-directional tread design and responsive handling ensure consistent performance year-round. With a load capacity of 2,094 pounds, the Continental Cross-Contact LX25 is the ideal tire for maximizing fuel efficiency without compromising on quality or performance. This tire is perfect for those seeking the best tires for fuel mileage. Number 3. Bridgestone Teranza QuietTrack All-Season Touring Tire 215/55 R1794V is engineered to offer a premium driving experience, especially for those looking for the best tires for fuel mileage. This tire combines a quiet and comfortable ride with long-lasting performance. Boasting an impressive 80,000 mile tread life, the QuietTrack technology ensures a smooth, noise-free ride by minimizing high-frequency road noise, while the asymmetrical tread design provides enhanced traction on both wet and snowy conditions. Thanks to 3D full-depth sipes and in-groove ridges, this tire excels in snow traction and helps prevent high-frequency noise. The open shoulder slots enhance water evacuation, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. With a load capacity of 256 pounds and speed rating of V, the Bridgestone Teranza QuietTrack tire is ideal for those seeking fuel efficiency without compromising safety or comfort. Perfect for year-round use, this tire is designed to perform in all seasons while maintaining impressive fuel economy. Number 2. Michelin Defender 2 All-Season Tire delivers outstanding fuel efficiency, making it a top choice for anyone searching for the best tires for fuel mileage. Designed for year-round performance, this 245/60 R18105H tire fits a wide range of vehicles including cars, minivans, SUVs, and crossovers. With its symmetrical tread pattern and locking 3D sipes, it provides exceptional grip and shorter stopping distances on both wet and dry roads. Engineered to outlast competitors by up to 25,000 miles, the Defender 2 offers incredible durability thanks to its redesigned tread that ensures even wear. It boasts a deep 10.5/32 tread depth and supports up to 105 pounds of load capacity, maintaining stability and comfort at high speeds with its H-speed rating. Backed by an impressive 80,000 mile treadwear warranty and a 60-day satisfaction guarantee, this tire offers peace of mind for long road trips or daily commutes. If you're aiming to save on fuel without sacrificing safety or longevity, the Michelin Defender 2 is a perfect fit. Number 1. Continental Terrain Contact H/T All-Season Radial Tire 265/60 R18110T is a top choice for those looking for the best tires for fuel mileage. This tire offers an impressive up to 70,000 miles of limited manufacturer tread life coverage, ensuring long-lasting performance. Featuring Continental's Traction Plus technology, it delivers exceptional traction and durability, especially on wet roads, while reducing road noise for a smoother, quieter ride. The short braking distances on wet roads enhance your safety, and the balanced on-road performance ensures reliability throughout the year. With a robust 10-ply construction, this tire also offers superior durability, making it ideal for both city and highway driving. The 265/60 R18 size, along with a 44 psi maximum pressure, ensures optimal fuel efficiency while maintaining a comfortable driving experience. If you're looking for a tire that performs well year-round, improves fuel efficiency, and delivers durability, the Continental Terrain Contact H/T is an excellent choice. Conclusion: when it comes to saving on fuel costs, choosing the best tires for fuel mileage is crucial. With the right tires, you can improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency while enjoying a smooth and safe ride. Whether you're looking for all-season, summer, or performance tires, there are plenty of options to meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.